WhatsApp has recently submitted a new update through the Google Play beta program, bringing the version up to 2.19.45. Finally, there is a news. Let's find out what is new. After some year, WhatsApp is finally improving the UI. Redesigned settings. The first change they applied is in WhatsApp settings. Almost all sections are redesigned, adding new icons for any option. Main settings. Account settings. Chat settings. Two-step verification. Request account information. Help. Network usage. Storage usage. Profile. Do you like this change? Let us know. Comment down below. Until then, see you in the next video.